Well, it's July 2009. It's 10 to 11. The dinner starts at 11. I can smell it. There's a pretty good line already. It's going to be a hot and humid day. That's why we came early. And parking's pretty full already. Well, they give you some shade, and the sun's out today. And I dropped Edith off a few minutes ago, but I don't think we're going to be in the shade. You can see her here at the end of the line. There's people standing in the sun. Ah, it's going to be me. Fancy, they give you a diagram of the setup. We'll go out there later. Well, oh boy. So here's the hall. We got in. It's 20 after 11. So we did pretty good. Table. Chicken. Corn, potatoes. Well, we're finished. And these people are just getting seated. And they're taking our table and cleaning it up. And we're going to see some more because there's a long line out there. See people digging in here.
Hold it while I put them in my pocket.
Oh, here's some chicken. And here's the people in the kitchen. Well organized. Okay. See you later. Church. 12 o'clock. Bells are ringing. He's bought a jar of turtle soup over there in the big tent. And there's these are people who just bought their meal out here, avoid the long line, and eat at a picnic table. Sort of a one-trip deal. So here we are out in the games and sales areas, right down from the churches. Nice big trees here. And for being a hot, humid day, as they predicted, it's really kind of nice. You can see from the quilts up there that there's a good breeze. So we're gonna walk around, see if we can win something. So here we are at the church. Statue, front door. And I'm gonna go inside. So here we are on the inside of the church. Got their fans going. A lot of them have those pretty pastel shades. So here it's an off-white and sort of a bluish green. Very pretty altar. Some nice statues. Some murals above the altar. It's very nice. Very nice. Produce. A lot of zucchinis, a lot of tomatoes, black raspberries. Here's the bakers. Noodles, homemade noodles, pickles, and this bad stuff. Oh, there's a pineapple upside down. So here's their cemetery. Most churches have them. And looking at the newer section. And then here we have the older section. And I'm going to walk in here a little bit and look for some of the older ones and some of the Germans. Okay, so here you can see sort of the German script and also the German writing. There was remember there's a Vogelsang Motors in Lawrenceburg, but anyway, this is George, G-E-O-R-G, Georg, and he's geborgen on October 1835 and gestorben on December 27th, 1860. Okay, this is in memory of Jacob Schauger. And it just says he died in 1848, aged 28 years. Rest in peace. This is Brigitte Brun. Died August 15th, 1850, age 40 years. So this is the old section of the cemetery, and that's where I read from. Here's another old stone. Still can read it pretty well. And one next to it. Still can read it pretty well. Passed away in 1886. Second tent. And here's where they flower up, the ladies on the other side too. And these fellas are doing the gizzards. There's a load going there. Hi. There's some chicken livers for you. Here's one. A lot of chicken.